The woman in her mid-30s is one of two people accusing Councillor Michael Thompson of sexual assault. It's alleged the incidents happened at a Muskoka cottage over Canada Day weekend in 2022. She says the councillor touched her buttocks and breasts under her bathing suit after applying sunscreen to her back, and that Thompson asked if it was okay after he had already put his hands under her clothing. She says she either nodded or said yes. Asked if it was actually okay with her, she said, quote, "I didn't feel like I had another choice to navigate the situation, so no." She says she didn't leave the cottage afterwards because she and the friend who drove her there, the second complainant in the case, were drunk. She testified Thompson insisted the pair drink alcohol as soon as they arrived. They also shared a joint on the dock, which she says was instigated by the councillor. When the woman first got there, she says she was surprised to find Thompson there with just one other person, a young woman in university who also testified earlier in the trial as a witness. The complainant says Thompson invited her to a small cottage gathering sometime after they met at a bar earlier in the year. Because their relationship had revolved around business, she assumed it would be her and other professionals. The Crown Attorney asked her what she thought after the alleged assault. Quote, "Up until that point, I had certainly felt like this was a very strange situation, but that obviously solidified some of the strangeness of the whole situation for me, and maybe clarified exactly what the nature of the cottage trip was intended to be," end quote. After her testimony, the defense attorney briefly cross-examined the woman about photos that have been shown during the trial. The defense alleges the Crown broke the rules of the court by showing the witness those images and wants the Crown lawyer removed from the case.
We'll file an application and it will certainly be argued in court and can watch the proceedings in court.
Okay, so you don't want to tell us anything about why you want the Crown off the case?
No.
Crown Attorney Marieke Newhouse argued that witnesses are entitled to be prepared for court. The application on the matter will be discussed on Wednesday afternoon, while the trial is scheduled to resume on Friday. Lane Harrison, CBC News, Bracebridge.